Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. My name is Hafiz Asad and I am from Maryland High School. Student, this is your maths lecture and our maths teacher. In our today's lecture, we again repeating the next question, means that same method. The question number 2 part G and H part G and H are here, and you have to do there the solution of these questions and then mention in the number line. These students, I write here a number line. For example, if lies 0 and lies 1, lies 2. Also, the left side lies -1, -2, -3, lies 3, and so on up to so on. Also, if we say that, then also it becomes a 0, then it becomes 1, then it becomes 2, 3, right here, -1. -2, -3, up to so on, minus of infinity, and it's up to so on, plus infinity, plus of infinity, and its side minus of infinity. And I told you about the infinity equals to 1 over 0. We can say that infinity that is unknown. No one knows about the infinity. Endless, you can say that endless, the number is endless, it's never end. Okay students, now we are required to find the values of these. If you know that this equality says that 9y is greater than minus of the 20, so we write here 9y minus of 20, and 9 which is multiplied with the y when goes to the other side, it becomes divide with the 20, then 9 divided by 20, it becomes minus 2.2. So y greater than minus 2.2. Note that minus 2 is here and 2.2 is minus 2.2 is like here, means that if we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then note that this lies minus of 2, means that minus 2.2 lie here, and y is greater, and this side is greater, always this side is greater and this side is less. So means that we can say that it becomes here side minus 2.2 and y always greater. So the answer is y always greater than minus 2.2. You have just show and mention these quantities. Now move to the next question. We write here minus 5 and 2 which we divide to the other side, and it becomes minus 2.5. Note that minus 2.5 also lies here. These are the middle of the 2 and 3, means that minus 2.5 here. So we can say that y is less, y is smaller than the 2.5. Though, so this side is smaller. So we can say that the y is, because of the smaller of minus 2.5. So we can say that y is always smaller than the 2.5. so we can write, also mention the our bracket like that, minus 2.5 here up to so on, minus of infinity. But you have not mentioned this. It's not your answer. Your answer is just to mention the y less than equals to minus 2.5 into the number line. But giving you diary of the today. Diary is question number 2 and question number 1. All parts. Question number 1 is not included. Question number 2 only. All parts you have to practice. I hope you will understand all the questions. I wrote here and I understand it. I taught you all the questions, how we can mention the inequalities in the number lines. I hope you will understand. Inshallah we will meet another lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.